Morning, this is Grandpa Ron, and today's adventure is going to be putting this whole house fan with these blades up in my attic. The whole house fan comes with a couple of switches where you can turn them on and off manually. So another thing I'm going to be doing is putting in this smart Wi-Fi light switch so I can control it from my phone. This allows you to either turn it on and turn it off, or set a schedule, tell it to run for 2 hours and shut off, or whatever else you want to do it. So I've used these TP links before for operating lights, so now I'm going to try it with a fan to see how that works. I'm going to try out this acoustic foam to see if that dampens the sound a little bit. So anyway, we got the blade off. We're ready to get started. Okay, let's find a place to put the fan. I think this side window here is going to work great, pulling the air in at night. We do want to have the fan located far away from the windows so that it has a long path to cool the house off. So I'm thinking in my house right here. That way we can open windows in the bedrooms and in the family room and get a breeze through going in both directions. So I'm going to try it there. Well, Houston, we have a problem. These plastic ceilings have chicken wire in them, so my regular saw is not going to cut through there. This means I'm going to have to get an abrasive saw blade for my multi-tool, and we'll see if we can cut through it with that. Things are never straightforward, just don't give up. Yeah, the diamond wheel actually worked pretty well. If you can get somebody to hold a vacuum up next to it, it makes a lot of dust, and that vacuum sucks up quite a bit, so it made the cleanup a lot easier. Well, that was a heck of a job, but at least we got that plaster and chicken wire cut through. Morning, new day starts. Last night I went down to Home Depot and got a 2x6 that's the same size as the floor joists, 2x4 to box around it, and some chipboard so that I can sit on it and be a little more comfortable while I'm working. Next thing is cut the joists and get back upstairs. Got this header in. I don't need to cut and put this one in here, right here. Okay, we got her all boxed in now. I got the wood trim all around here. It's about 26.5 by 26.5. That'll fit the inside of the fan pretty well. I did a quick fit check and it looks fine. So next I need to look at the wiring, see where I can do that. What I've decided to do here is take out the existing hall switch and put in a 3-gang right here. Just run the wire down the wall. Okay, I got it hooked up. It's getting really hot up there. I'm dying. Anyway, let's give it a try. I do want to test this acoustic foam to see if it helps or not. So we're in the living room with the fan running. Alexa, turn house fan on. Alexa, turn whole house fan off. I really like the smart switch. I can either use the wall outlet or my phone app or Alexa to turn it on or off. So that's working really great. And as far as the acoustic foam goes, it probably quieted down a couple of dB in the living room where we watch TV, so I can barely hear the fan, and when the TV's on I don't hear it at all. Today the house was about 74 degrees and the outside was maybe 63 degrees this morning, so we ran the fan for a couple hours and cooled the house down 3 to 4 degrees. Right now it's 108 degrees outside, and it's probably about 80 degrees inside, and we're not running any air conditioning, so that's pretty cool. As long as it cools off 5 to 10 degrees overnight, you can use your whole house fan and it'll save you a lot on your electric bill. Otherwise, this is Grandpa Ron, and I'll see you on the road.